The McKim building at the Morgan Library is constructed of Tennessee pink limestone with the design intent of this really beautiful neoclassical monolithic white with a light pinkish tone. The architect, Charles Follen McKim, visited the Acropolis in Greece, and he had this passion for one particular building, the Erechtheion, that was built in a manner of dry laid stone. He had a desire to try this building technique in America, and this building with Pierpont Morgan was his first opportunity. So we're here on the south elevation, the main facade. Going from inside out, we have the backup brick wall, a 2-inch airspace, and then the Tennessee pink ashlar stone. And what makes this construction technique so unique is the tight joints. There's no mortar in between the joints, just that incredibly thin sheet lead, about 1/64 of an inch. We searched and really can't find another building in the United States that was built with this construction technique.